This design will insert after 9 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 without net stitches. 7 stitch and with net stitch 9 stitches. Start putting the net from 0 is 1 1 both side. Put the net is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 without this net stitch, and with this net stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and this one 9. Apply same method. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 with this net stitch 9 stitches. These one net stitch, one net stitch. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. This one and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Make 2 simple rounds. After knitting 2 simple rounds, put the net 1, skip 3 stitches in 1 net both sides. 1 net both sides. Skip this center stitch, put the net on this stitch, put the net both side and also put the net a stitch 3 and this 1 1 1 on both side and center stitch. Put this net 1 1, skip these 3, put this second net and fourth net 1 2 3 4 1, skip 3, 1 next 1 3. One skip this center stitch, put net, put the net both side and skip all stitches, net both side. Complete this step and start this step. Skip 3 remain in these 3 stitches. Skip 1 this center stitch, put the net both side on this stitch, on both sides. Same. Skip all stitches and all stitches.